here with a quick, I won't say demonstration because it's already been done. I'm just going to show you what it can do. But yeah, I want to show you AI ContentCrafter. So I'm going to log in. But as I say, I won't show you what it does, or in terms of, I won't make you sit through waiting while it does it. I'll just show you what's already been done. And it also saves me logging into my settings because I don't want you seeing my API keys and what have you. So if you purchase this, you would log in. First time you'd go to settings, add your API key, and if you want images, your stability API key. Then from there you could come into new project or manage project. So you would normally click new project, and on there all you need to do is give it a name for yourself, enter the target audience that you want the blog post to target, the number of words you want, which anything you like basically, a category if you've got one on your blog, language, choose a language, and then writing tone. Again, choose a writing tone that suits your style for your blog. As with all things, I would suggest that you tweak and edit, and that's why you want to try and choose a that suits. And then you just go for details of the blog post, so basically a subject. Now, in good old Blue Peter fashion, which will make sense to anybody in the UK and possibly not the rest of the world, here's one I did earlier. So depending on where you're going, what we're doing, let's just have a look at the first one here and go edit. So as you can see, what I did, I gave it a project name, link cloaking, target was online mark letters. Didn't notice that, did I? Marketers. I wanted 600 words. I like that as a length. It's going in my guest post category. Actually, it should be in the guest AI post category. English language, informative tone. And here's what I wrote to set it away. The importance and usefulness of link cloaking and redirection in marketing. And then literally from there, you press go and you just wait. And the AI comes along, it writes a blog post, it then writes a Facebook post about the blog post, a TikTok video about the blog post, a tweet about the blog post, and an email about the blog post. Now, once it's done, then you can come in and you can decide to go, right, let's have that in bold, the title it is give us, turbocharge your marketing campaign for link cloaking and redirection. So you can go through, you can edit, make bold, and use a full WYSIWYG editor here. So you can insert images, you can insert hyperlinks in bolded text, italics, underscore, underlined, strike throughs, etc. Reading through, I was quite impressed with the quality of the content, and then from my perspective, the reason I did this one was because I had an idea in mind that at the end of the post I would tweak the concluding section and then add, and of course I have a link to mention, WP Link Ninja. Isn't that a nice looking link? Far better than random numbers. What have I wrote there? Random numbers. Mised with digits and the link. Don't even know what I've misspelled there. And created by my WP Link Ninja plugin, has the ability to make cool links, etc. Give the link a click. So, and then I added my own signature image by clicking on add an image and add a signature. Then I didn't bother doing any tweaks here. Now the blog post I thought was excellent. The Facebook post, I did have a comment on Facebook saying, oh, it looks like a typical sort of AI written post. And yeah, to a degree, it can do. TikTok video, I never bothered with. I don't have a TikTok account, but it's there if you want it. Likewise, I didn't use this whole email of, here's the reason why I want to read this blog post, etc., 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 because I just said, hey, I've got a new blog post and linked to it because I have all the content in my email. The tweet I did use, And again, I'll just skip over so you can see there's your unlocked and the untapped power of AI apps in online marketing, etc. Exactly as it is here, etc. Boost strategy now, and then hashtag, 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 and the link, obviously. And there's another post that I did, unlock potential marketing campaigns with link cloaking. That was AI marketing. That was the link cloaking one, sorry. I did do another one at some point. There it is. Unlock your income potential with digital assets. Learn how to create and generate revenue with digital assets, etc., etc. And again, the blog post. Likewise on Facebook, new blog post alert. I added the testing a new app. I an online market looking to stay ahead, etc. And again, you edit and place your blog post link in there. So nice big Facebook post pitching the blog post, and as Richard said, it's got AI generated all over it. Although I said, what, the post or the Facebook post about it? He said, oh, the Facebook one, because the blog post is actually really good quality. Another one, and again it looks a bit AI written, and then somewhere up here another one. Yeah, so I suspect that the content for your Facebook post would want a bit more of a tweak, and your email would want a tweak, but the blog post itself is just really good as it is. So that's the post that it wrote, and I've scrolled up and down, so if you want to pause the video you can read it, or you could pop to, I didn't bring that up, did I? My vlog at randolphsmith.com. That's RANDOLF Smith.com. And there's the first one that I did with this, where again the image, I'll show you in a second, came from the AI. How AI apps are shaping the landscape of online marketing. A really good quality blog post. And then obviously I've got a marketing app that I've just launched, so I linked to that. Back to the blog, and the next post I did was the link cloaker, and I couldn't find an image for link and cloaking, but I thought that looks cool. It's got links in it, it's got a cloak in it, there you go. Yes, benefits of link cloaking and redirection, and then the pitch to WP Link Ninja. And then finally, the last one on the blog that's been done with this is digital assets, a new marketer's lifeline and entrepreneur's dream. And again, the AI image of a digital marketer looking at his computer screen and it's printing money for him. And again, you know, effective strategies. And then a pitch to my friend, oh my goodness, I am going to have to edit my spelling, John Thornhill. But yeah, there. Thornhill. A link to John's book, but that's all written in here with just my bit at the end, and then from there you can save the post, all up here. You can then copy that, or you can export it, or, and this is what I love about this app, again another one in the settings that we did, it won't let me select because I've already done it, but in your settings you can download a free plugin, add it to your blog, which connects your blog to the software, and then here you just select your blog and you can add up to 12 different blogs. You select your blog and then select whether or not you want it to post the image. On that one I didn't, but I did add the image later, and pop back to another one. Go to the digital assets, let's have a look at that one. Oh, it says don't post the image. I'm sure I posted the image on that one. Anyway, and then you go post, and you can post as a draft, or as a post it now, or as a post it scheduled for whenever. So I posted them all as drafts, and that way I could come in and just double check, supposedly double check my spelling, which I obviously didn't do. But that's what the thing does. So why digital assets? Really good post again. And then that's where I spelt John's name wrong, crying out loud. And Rapid Digital Assets, claim your bonuses, just pay shipping and handling, and the link and my signature I did by myself at the end. But yes, the blog post there, all written by the AI. And just, no, go back to manage. And what was the other one we hadn't looked at? The prevalence of AI in marketing. And again, brings automation, data analysis, predictive, etc. Primary reasons, popularity. Bleh. I won't bother trying to read everything out. I'll scroll slowly so you can, if you want, pause and read it there. Or alternatively, pop over to my blog at randolphsmith.com. Check those last few posts. They're all clearly identified as guest AI posts so that you know. And those 3 are all from the app, as you've just seen. And that's what the app does. So yes, the Facebook and the tweets you may need to tweak. The post itself I find really good quality, and just the fact that you can just literally give it a a description of what you want writing about, and it comes along and, you know, gives you a cracking quality post. You can then select your blog, and which I haven't shown because I haven't created one, damn. But yes, there's also the Stability AI image section where you can give another one-line description of a type of image you want, and the AI will create the image for you. And one of the ones I liked the best was that one. I just said robot looking at a computer screen, and or AI robot looking at a computer screen, something like that. And there you go. You know, that's the image it came up with. So yes, you can get your feature, and it posts it. This is why I do draft. It posts it as the featured image, but I like the image in my post as well. So by saving it as draft, it means I can then insert image into post, and because it's already been saved to my media, because it's been posted as a feature image, I can then easily just click it, pop it in, and carry on. Okay, so that's that. Hopefully not too long a demonstration.